2 hours later.
Eating my bagel while my car warms up.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Finally in my car.